I got out of the bed, now I'm walking and it's all the way uphill. All of it's uphill. I'm already kind of regretting it. I don't know how far the restaurant is. It said a few blocks, but that could be really far in this neighborhood. So, shit, I'm already out of breath, fuck. So if it turns out to be too far, I'm just gonna turn around because there's a restaurant at the hotel. So I'll just eat there. All right, we'll see. All right, so I got my food. I got a little burrito to go from that cafe. All in all, it took around 3 hours to get food, and I'm on my way back now. Hopefully burrito's good, because I don't know if the restaurant at the hotel's open. But yeah. Made the wrong turn back there. So now I'm walking down some abandoned street. Oh shit. That dog literally just ran out of that baby's house and started running after me. Damn, I'm mad I didn't get that on camera. I literally just took off running down the street and she's calling her dog and it just kept chasing me. What the fuck? All right, you guys, so I made it back to my room safely. I definitely almost got attacked by a dog again. That always happens to me. I don't know why that always happens to me. Like, dogs just come and try to attack me. I literally just had to run down the street. There was no one out there. It's the same as when I was in Egypt a few months ago, except that was like a pack of dogs. That one was way worse. But yeah, I got away safely. So I'm back. Boom, got my food, about to watch my show, new episode of Euphoria, season finale is about to be good. So yeah, thanks for watching GB Everywhere, because I be everywhere, including these dark alleys where I almost get attacked by stray dogs. But yeah, if you like my video, go ahead and like and subscribe.